Guys, in the previous section we implemented Goblin. He moves from cliff to the cliff, and now we need a player. We will start by implementing idle state for Mage. So I already added Mage idle images. We have 14 images for idle state. And for the player, I created character 2D. For the player, I created character body 2D, and its childs are animated sprite 2D and collision shape 2D. And for the animated sprite 2D, we added 8 FPS. It's not fast and it's not slow. I tried 6 and it seemed to be slow, and 10 or more it seems to be too fast, so 8 is okay for me. And I named it idle. I uploaded the images, and also I created collision shape, which is rectangle. So you can see I try to cover the image with the rectangle. So this is our collision, not for Goblin but for platforms. For the Goblin we will create hitbox, so we will have 2 collision shapes, hitbox and this one for the platform, but we will do it later. So first we can go to the player, and I already created script, so you can create script like this, and it's empty. So first thing we will create is gravity, const gravity float 690, and now enum state. We can add later more states like walk, attack, jump, and so on. So that's why I created enum state, and the current state from the beginning is idle state idle. Also we will create new state for switching between states. Func ready, it's empty. For now I just type pass, but we will use process physics process, and we need to apply the gravity. So plus gravity multiplied by delta, and update animation. So update animation, and currently there won't be much code. If it's on floor, it means we are on the ground. We will set new state idle. So in update animation we will switch to the walk, jump, and so on. So we will implement just this for now, but it's not needed because we set current state on line 6. So next step is go to the level and add the Mage. So go to the player scene and move it to the level, and press play. So you can see it's not here because it's somewhere here probably. So let's put it down, and now you can see it's not on the ground, I forgot to type move and slide. Now it should smoothly fall to the ground, and you can see we'll apply the idle animation. Also, I will remove the visible collision shapes, so you can see it's just there, and apply idle animation. Okay, that's all. See you later.